Welcome back to Explore Error. Smart App Control is a security feature in Windows 11 that helps protect your PC from new threats. It blocks harmful apps before they can run on your device. It uses Microsoft's cloud-based security system to decide if an app is safe or not. To turn it on, open Windows Security. Click on Search, type Windows Security, and open it. Then select App and Browser Control from the left side. Now click on Smart App Control Settings. If you have a clean install of Windows 11, this option should not be grayed out. In my case, it is grayed out. This usually happens if you upgraded from an older version of Windows or if you turned Smart App Control off before. Once it is turned off manually, it cannot be turned back on without resetting Windows. To enable it again if it is grayed out, you can do one of the following. Do a full PC reset, which is recommended, or enable it using Registry Editor. I will show you the registry method, but be careful when using it. Click on Search, type Registry Editor, and open it. In the address bar, type the following path: HKey local machine /system /current control set /control /CI/CI/policy. I will leave this path in the description. Next, double-click on Verified and Reputable Policy State. Change the value to 1 to turn it on, 2 for evaluation mode, or 0 to turn it off. I will choose 1 to turn it on. Click OK. After that, restart your computer for the changes to apply. All done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.